In today's video, I will put you through on how to add shape in on a picture you have on your iPhone. Without taking much time, let's just get right into it.
First, tap on your Photos app to access your photos and videos. Get to the picture you want to add the shape on and tap on it. So here, let me work with this. Alright, look at the bottom part. When you count from left to the right, the fourth icon there, tap on it. Alright, this gives you interface to make some changes on the picture. What you need to do is to tap on the pen-like icon at the top right. On tapping on the pen-like icon, you will see some icons, or will I say pen, eraser, and some other signs at the bottom part. But tap on that plus sign at the bottom right, the last one, okay, the plus sign. Alright, this gives you some options here. Select add shape. Alright, so tap on that add shape. Okay, you can see there are some shapes displayed to you. Then select any shape you want. Do you want to use square? Do you want to use rectangle? Do you want to use triangle, or and maybe arrow in this case? So tap on any. As you can see, this shape is added here, so you can use your finger to take it forward if you want it bigger. As this shape is added, you can decide to move it to another position. For you to do that, place your finger on the head part. In this case, is arrow. Alright, and then you can drag to a new place. Okay, you understand? As I'm moving it, is going to a different place. Maybe I want to point at this wristwatch. I will point there. Alright, so if you look at what you have at the top part, when you insert a shape, you can see color here. If you want to change the color, tap on that. Okay, so you can tap on any color of your choice and tap out. Alright, you can see it has changed to blue. If you want to add text, tap on the indication here. Okay, you can see you can choose maybe the alignment of the text, and then you start adding your text. Alright, but in this case, I don't want to work further on this. And you have duplicate if you want to duplicate the shape, and if you want to delete the shape, tap on delete. Okay, look at the delete icon here. Then if you want to take more further actions, tap on the three dots. You will see further actions you can take. Alright, you have cut, you have copy, you have paste, you have duplicate as well, and delete still appears at the first look. Okay, let me tap out. So anytime you want to make adjustment to the shape, tap on it, and then you start making the adjustment you want to make. Okay, and lastly, once you're done with the addition of the shape and making every necessary change you want to make, tap on done, which is at the top right, and after that, tap on done again at the top right.
I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on tech, which cuts across so many areas. So subscribe and learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. Watch this video here to learn more how to complete other tasks on iPhone. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.